Welcome to DK Engineering and Technology. Our industrial machines. Introduction. DK Engineering and Technology is a Bangladeshi washing machine manufacturing company. Our company's goal is to serve the Bangladesh garment industry with our sustainable and economical technology. Our machine is specially designed for the low liquor ratio to save water, chemical, steam, and energy. Our machine is sustainable and eco-friendly. With our machine you can do all kinds of washes like sweater, denims and dyeing, including all sustainable washes by unique internal design and with automatic programmable control panel. We also import PLC, inverter, flowmeter and other automation accessories. Our front-loading washing machine. It is our front-loading washing machine special. Designed for low liquor ratio. Our front-loading washing machine. Liquor ratio is 1:3, fully made by European technology. It is very good looking and sustainable. Our machine sheet is SUS 30 grade, made in Japan. Our machine's steam, water, electric consumption very low, but the production is so good. It has fully automatic control panel and drum-driven motor protected by heavy-duty frequency inverter. Our industrial belly washing machine. It is our industrial belly washing machine. Special design for low liquor ratio. Our belly washing machine liquor ratio is 1:4. It is eco-friendly and sustainable and also good looking with safety cover. We bring latest technology in our belly washing machine which will help to consume less water, chemical, and energy. Our belly machine gap between outer and inner drum only 2.5 mm. It has fully automatic control panel and drum-driven motor protected by heavy-duty frequency inverter. Our front-loading dryer machine. It is our front-loading dryer machine. You can get 3 types of dryer machine like steam dryer machine, gas dryer machine and electric dryer machine. Our dryer machine have special design which help us to decrease maintenance area. It also saves steam, gas, and energy. Fully controlled by PLC program. Our hydro industrial hydro extractor machine. It is our hydro extractor machine. It has 2 braking system like auto braking system and manual braking system. In auto braking system fully controlled by inverter and brake by braking resistor. Our PP spray cabinet. It is our PP spray cabinet. Our PP machine's dummy is auto-moving. It has fountain system for chemical clean.